Guys, did you see that?
Where?
I saw the girl outside, standing and staring at us in the black uniform. There's no one there. Maybe you just hallucinated.
Guys, alam niyo ba, may babae daw dito nagpakamatay sa ating paaralan.
Talaga?
Oo.
Listen, my sister told me this. It was in her class before. No one knew the reason behind their royal shock because when they got into the school, they saw her body hanging on the door. Many also said that they saw her reflection and they can also hear crying boys.
Okay guys, that's enough. Let's go home and let's get out outside because it's darker na. Oh, wow.
Ano yan?
Sino to?
Okay. I'm shot my student. Yes, come in, get inside.
Nice to
Wait,
meet
nauna ka na
you,
pala?
classmate.
Oo, kanina pa.
Hi, Soviet.
Wait lang. Maupo ka muna dyan. Makikuha ko kayo ng makita. Baka makakapit mo. Para may mainom kayo dyan.
Saan yung meron?
Enough guys. So ngayong gabi na to is dito tayo matulog, mag-sleep over tayo. Nagawin natin yung mga
Hi guys!
Uy, nandito ka na pala. Hello. Oh, ito, tubig muna, baka napagod ka sa kakalakad or sa pagbiyahe mo. At saka Bill Amir, yung pinadala na pala ni Bansi sa inyo, pinagawa natin mo at gawin sa camp. It's already 3:29 na. So, wait lang kayo dyan. Hawakuha ko muna kayo ng reviewer nyo ng mga books para sa Monday is final exam ko output.
Tapos,
Na. Ay, please ko, hindi atay. Diyos ko, Marnel Set, ano itong pinanggagawa ko sa buhay na ito? Okay, student. So I give you this reviewer for upcoming exam on Monday. Please be read and review. Okay. This is yours. This is your Angel and Josh. Okay, and our beautiful classmate came Taeyong. So this is yours. So please read that and just a minute because I want to copy you for a dinner.
Excuse me, sir.
Uy, ngayon mo biyang?
Hindi, patirahan na na.
Good afternoon, Anjar and Kay. Welcome. Come here, take a seat here. And this reviewer. Please read for upcoming exam. Please pass in cheap. Thank you. It's a very beautiful day.
Grabe ka tamad dyan.
kumain na naman nato. Ihi ako. Sakyan. Hi, sir. Anong kailangan mo? Bakit ka nagpapakita? Kailangan ko ng hustisya! Hustisya! Kailangan ko!
Pala kaibigan akong tao. Wala akong kasalanan sa mga gumawa nito sa akin. Isang araw, naglalaro kami sa aming eskwelahan kasama ang aking mga kaibigan at aking mga klase. Hindi ko alam, wala akong alam nangyari. Gusto ko lamang ng hustisya.
Nung time na nagtago-taguan kami, wala akong nagawang kasalanan at wala akong alam sa lahat ng pangyayari.
And Aya quickly ran up and hid behind the gym. In one corner, each got tired of running and hide quietly so he wouldn't be able to see. Suddenly, when Aya turned around, he accidentally stepped on a piece of wood and peeled his head, hit the wooden part of the blackboard. Ben saw him and he was unconscious and dead. Jake, who had been hiding, heard a loud crash. Then Jake saw their classmates each had dead Iya. They discussed where to hide his body and what is doing now, and carried him out of the gym and into the school. That's why I was disturbed because I saw everything that happened. And Iya is going to the bathroom to hide her body. Mapagpalit na yung ating pinakamagandang classmate sa loob sa paaralan. At huwag ka nang mag-alala dahil yung nagtangkang mangyari sa'yo ay nakulong na. Sana dyan ka na lang at saka
Rest in peace.
padayin sa mong pagkakap. Dito muna kami sa pinakamagaganda ng classmate. Paalam.